Happy holidays, everyone. Wait a minute. Yeah, all right. There we go. Now that's more like happy holiday crafting, everyone. Woohoo! Happy holidays, everybody. I'm Matthew Reinhardt, pop-up book creator. And anyways, happy holidays. It's time for crafting. Hey there, everybody. Welcome to the pop-up studio. I'm Matthew Reinhardt. I'm a pop-up book creator, children's book author, and illustrator. And I want to welcome you to my channel. Happy holidays! Happy holidays. Well, we're not quite at the holidays. We're almost at the holidays. We just finished Halloween. Yay. Maybe I should show some pictures of my Halloween costume. Maybe here or here. It was a good time. Everyone loved it. Anyways, happy holidays. And we're talking about the winter holidays here. It's Thanksgiving, and then we have the big one, Christmas and Hanukkah and the New Year. Everything's coming. So whatever you celebrate, whether it's Hanukkah, Christmas, just the end of another year, I've got the DIY cards for you to make, okay? So there's gonna be templates. We're gonna try to make 12 holiday pop-up card videos this year. And it's inspired a little bit by, the 12 days of Christmas, the 12 pops of Christmas, the 12 pops of holidays. We're going to try to make them. But it really is going to depend. I'm going to try to get at least 6 to 10 for sure out. If we get to 12, I'm going to be so jazzed. I have a lot going on in the studio right now. I'm working on 2 big marquee books right now. And I say marquee, that means like the big thick pop-up books for next year, which I can't say what they are yet, but I think you're gonna like them. And so we're working on those projects right now. I'll keep you posted about upcoming stuff. We've also got a bunch of books that just came out, which I'll show you. They're just releasing, including my Godzilla pop-up book, my Disneyland pop-up, and there's a Nightmare Before Christmas pop-up, and a DC Comics superhero pop-up. I've been very busy over the last couple of years. Anyways, I'm really glad to share those with you. There'll be videos of them coming. So anyways, let's get back to making our craft today. It's really easy. This first pop-up card, whether it's for Hanukkah, it could be for just winter holidays or just wishing people well. You can use it any time of the year. And I really love this one because it's super simple. It's this beautiful dove card. And it really only has 2 pieces to build it. Look how beautiful that is. It's so simple and beautiful. You can decorate it any way you like, and you can see that I just decorated mine with markers and everything. Ooh, someone's at my front door. You hear that noise? It's probably Amazon. So this is the card that we're gonna make, this dove card. It's super simple. It's the simplest of the holiday cards this year. You could use this for Christmas. You could use it for just winter holiday or just sending love to somebody. All right, so we always love a good dove card, right? That's the best way to start off our holiday cards. So let's get started. Download the template. There's a link below. Let's get started. Holiday time. Alrighty, so let's get started. We printed out both pages of templates. They're super easy to print out onto any color cardstock you like. Let's get a ruler. Let's get something to score with. I usually use a knitting needle, but you can use a big paper clip. Let's use something to cut with. We can use, some scissors, or I like to use a craft knife, and some regular glue, and that's all you're gonna need. We're gonna need markers or colors or something for later. So first we start scoring, and y'all know how to score, right? We just use a ruler, and we use the edge of our knitting needle or our paper clip, and we press onto all the dotted black lines. And then we cut out all the pieces, and we follow all the solid black lines. Super easy, right? Be very careful when you're using a cutting craft knife like this. Don't cut towards your fingers, cut away from your hand and fingers so you don't cut yourself, because I have done that before, and it is not a happy holiday sort of situation when it does happen. So be careful, respect the tools that you're working with, please. Bring the magic of the Disney parks into your home with this fun and interactive pop-up map. With original artwork by the incredible Rui Ricardo, detailed text by Charlie Price, and intricate paper engineering from award-winning paper engineer Matthew Reinhardt. That's me! The Disneyland Pop-Up Park Tour brings the beloved landscapes, attractions, and characters of the Disney parks vividly to life. Intricate and unique, this deluxe pop-up map is an essential keepsake for Disney fans of all ages. Now you can bring Disneyland home with you. From New York Times best-selling paper engineer Matthew Reinhart, that's me, comes the ultimate 3D masterpiece showcasing all your favorite comic book characters in DC Superheroes, the ultimate pop-up book. Fly above Metropolis with Superman, Donna Cowell, and zoom through Gotham with Batman, battle alongside the Amazons with Wonder Woman, and so much more as the Justice League encounters villains such as Lex Luthor and the Joker. Featuring contemporary comics art and remarkable three-dimensional paper engineering on every page. This hefty pop-up, it's heavy, book is a must-have for all DC fans or anyone who loves the art of pop-ups. Now from Abrams Books, check it out. Okay, so let's get to assembling. All right, once we've cut out all the pieces, we are going to pre-fold some of the pieces that we've scored, right? So along those dotted lines, because we've scored them, the paper should be real easy to fold. All right, let's fold this one. We're going to glue this tab down first. Put a little bit too much on there. Oopsies. Just wipe it off, and it just goes in this slit. And you're going to fold it down and press it in just like that. That's one side. And then this is super easy. We're going to put some glue on this other tab right here on the bottom of this half of the dove. We're going to slide that right on through, and see this big slit? We're going to slit it right. We're going to put it right in that slit, that tab, and we're going to glue it into place just like that. And then we're going to let it dry. We're going to fold it, and this is what should happen. This is the way the pop-up should be working. Look at that. Very simple V-fold, two pieces interlocked to make our beautiful dove. And then we're going to put the covers of each of these cards on. So there's extra rectangles that go on the front and the back, and that'll make our card nice and sturdy. This time around, because we're using slits to put the tabs into place, it makes the cards a little prettier. So this time around, we're going to use covers like this. And I just kind of place the card cover on there, kind of move it around, spread the glue around, press it down, leave it in place. Look at that beautiful dove card, peaceful for the holidays. Well, did you enjoy making this card? I sure did. Look how beautiful it is. Just very, very simple, beautiful card that you can send out to everyone. Or if you wanted, you could assemble all of the holiday cards that we're going to make. They're all the same size. So you could assemble these into a giant book. You could glue them back to back and make your own holiday pop-up book. So you can use it anywhere you want. It's all up to you because you're the creative person. You're the one. I've given you my special secrets, and now you can make them for yourself. So thank you for joining me today. On your way out, could you do me a favor? Could you hit that like button down below? Also hit subscribe, please. It really helps us get out there and more eyes on the pops that we're making. Feel free to comment. We really like the engagement. It gives me ideas for future videos and that I can do. Let me know if you like what we do. Hey, let me know if you hate it. If you hate me, fine, tell me. I don't care. But you be sure to write it in the comments below. I love your feedback, no matter what it is, because sometimes I do stuff wrong, and I really appreciate what you tell me. Everything I do here on YouTube is because of you, and I thank you and I love you all very much, and I want to send you all happy holiday greetings. This is Matthew Reinhart saying, be kind to a stranger, think creatively, right? And keep it holiday poppin'. Yeah! Bye-bye.